Hello, my name is Sausage Fingers and usually I run a gaming channel, but one of my other passions is building things and stuff with my hands. Now, I'm going to take you on a quick tour of my lair. I have a load of power tools. I don't really know how to use any of them. I'm not a professional carpenter, joiner, maker of things and stuff. I just like making the things of stuff because I get these ideas in my head, and my head is where my brain is. And then when my brain thinks of these things, I cannot sleep until I've started, not necessarily finished, but started these things and stuff that I like to build. So, without further ado, I will take you on the tour. I run a gaming channel as well called Sausage Fingers Gaming. It's behind there because this bit makes lots of dust and stuff, so it has to be hidden behind my butt flap and behind my thing. I actually made these softbox lights from stuff from Poundland or the dollar store if you like. This is actually the basement underneath my house. It is rented accommodation, it's not my own house, hence the lights hanging out of the ceiling and stuff. I'm waiting for the landlord to come and do this. I'm not allowed to do it myself. Now I made this bench. I did like how I built this bench on my other channel as well. This is for doing things on. Things. Things. What we got over here? Another little softbox light. It makes me look beautiful. Here's my VR up there. Look, I've got some stuff. I'm going to restore these at a later date. These here, I'm going to restore them and make things out of them. I have some tools. I have things there. I have a lathe. I am not an expert lather. It's my first ever lathe and I've had it a couple of weeks. We'll see how we get on with that. I've got some more little bits and bobs and some more bits and bobs. That's for cleaning more windows. Got me grinding wheels. Like random malarkey in there. A big pile of wood. I like the wood. These are all chopped up pallets. Pallets are very expendable and easy to come by. But the only thing I am missing is a receptacle of some description to put treasure and jewels. I like jewels. I have some jewels, but nowhere to put my jewels. So, without further ado, let the montage begin. Yeah. Okay, that's the bottom frame done. It's not finished by any means, but it turned out a lot better than I thought it would. Now, I was going to use the same on the top as I did on the bottom, but I don't think that would do it justice. So, I don't know how I'm going to do this, but I'm going to build like a curved, like a proper treasure chest. Treasure chest. I think it deserves it. Don't really know how I'm going to do this. I might just draw a line in the middle, triangle, and then roundify it. I think that angle is a bit too steep. I'm going to have to put the next bit at the same angle of that as that if I do that. So I am going to go halfway. 1.75 sausages. And then the next one will go down like that, which will make it roundier. Good people, I think I did it. It needs one more thing. Jewels. Done. There we go. So, if you made it this far, I commend you. If you wouldn't mind giving me a like and a subscribe and turning the little notification bell on, that would be awesome. This is my first video on this channel. I'm so excited. I made that with one power tool, the drill, because I figured that's what most people have at home. I might update this as we go, this chest. I think I can put a lot more work into this using posh tools like the rotary tool and all that kind of stuff. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. Like I said, if you did, give me a like and a subscribe. It massively helps. Don't forget to ring the little bell. And I'll see you all very soon. Laters.